Hi, folks. I'm Chuck Block, and we're talking about how not to become a good programmer. And today's topic is called Give Up Easily. If you have a tendency to give up easily, you will find it very difficult to become a good programmer. Let's be honest, writing software can be pretty rewarding and pretty cool. Look at the nicely formatted tables with all that information, and it's even color coded with all this stuff about hosts and about services and about devices. It really is fun, and it gives you a sense of accomplishment when you've done that. But as I just noticed in the past couple of days, bam, there's an error, bam, there's another error, and bam, there's another error. All of these crashed when I brought down the service. Fortunately, through some trial and error and looking at the code, I was able to figure out what exactly was the problem and to fix it. And once I had fixed it, then I got the pleasant result that when I brought down the Quokka server, the things didn't crash, the displays didn't crash, but rather they just printed that they had no data, which is what I had intended. And then when we bring the Quokka server back up again, then I was able to see that, okay, well, the displays begin to fill back up, and now it's working as it was intended. Unfortunately, solving problems in Python can be infuriating, aggravating, frustrating, and every other word that you can think of. Here I have my simple device code, and I'm going to run it, and it's telling me there's an error. It says type error, type object does not support item assignment. What the heck does that mean? And then it tells me, helpfully, I think, the line on which the error existed. So that will allow me to go at least back to my code and look at the code to try to figure out what's going on. Now I see some other stuff. Class type does not define set items, so the closed bracket, square bracket operator cannot be used on its instances. I see that over and over and over again, and I have no idea what's going on. I'm just using a dictionary. And then down at the bottom, something about parameter self unfilled. There's no idea what the heck is going on in this situation because Python is not doing a good job of telling me what the error is. If I was inclined, I might just end up giving up. But in reality, the error was really simple. I created a dictionary and I forgot to put the opening and closing parentheses. And now when I run it, you can see it's running quite happily. So what am I saying? I'm saying that if you want to become a good programmer, you must develop the character trait that you don't give up easily, that you show perseverance, and that you stick with it. Programming can be frustrating, perhaps more than anything you've done, but if you persevere, I can guarantee you that the results will be rewarding and you'll be glad that you did not give up.